distinguished representatives from Pacific Island countries, staff and faculty of the University of Auckland, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is a profound honor to introduce a leader whose contributions have significantly shaped Pacific and global public health, driven by a lifelong commitment to addressing health inequities and access to health care for Indigenous Maori and Pacific peoples in Aotearoa. His work has been nothing short of transformative. For decades, his research, policy development and advocacy have focused on eliminating disparities, ensuring that communities receive the care they deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Sir Dr. Collin Tukuitonga has been an inspiration not only to me, but to countless others. As both a mentor and a colleague in public health, his wisdom and leadership have profoundly shaped my journey. Before I was appointed WHO Regional Director for the Western Pacific, our paths crossed often. Each interaction deepened my understanding and sharpened my skills. As a young Tongan with big dreams, his guidance was instrumental in my surgical training, and his influence continues to inspire excellence to this day. As a leading expert in non-communicable diseases, Sir Dr. Collin has played a pivotal role in shaping global health policy through his leadership at WHO and other key positions in global health governance. His leadership has shaped academic programs, strengthened mentoring initiatives, and inspired generations of emerging researchers and health professionals, including myself. As a founding member of the Pacifica Medical Association, Sir Dr. Collin strengthened Pacific health leadership by creating a vital platform for Pacifica healthcare professionals to thrive. His mentorship was transformative for me as an aspiring Pacifica surgeon. He taught me the value of advocacy, excellence, and service. His support shaped my journey, reinforcing the belief that Pacifica voices must be at the forefront of healthcare. As we welcome him for this inaugural lecture, we celebrate his remarkable achievements and dedication to improving health outcomes, fostering research excellence, and mentoring future leaders. I leave you with a quote by Abhishek Shukla that truly embodies my experience with Sir Dr. Collin. A mentor's role is not to fix your path, but to disrupt your inertia, forcing you to explore new directions. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce our esteemed speaker, Professor Sir Dr. Collin Tukuitonga.